In this lesson, I will show you how to create a fur type of texture using filters in Photoshop. I am creating a new file with canvas size equal to 400 pixels by 400 pixels. Now, in the foreground color, I'm using the color picker dialog to add a color that is closest to the color of fur. I'm going to use the paint bucket tool to add this color on the canvas. Now I've added a new layer in which I will draw the spots. I'm choosing a dark green color to paint spots on the canvas, and I'm going to create the spots using the brush tool like this. You can see that there are two layers in my layer pane now. There is a background layer and there is layer number 1 in which I am creating these spots. Now in this layer which contains the spots, I will add stroke by clicking on the FX icon in the layer pane. I am going to open the stroke dialog, adjust the thickness of the stroke and the color here. Once I am happy with the color of the stroke, I am going to click on OK. I am merging both the layers by clicking on the merge down option in the layer menu. I am adding noise from filter menu. In the noise dialog, I will keep monochromatic checked as I want the speckled effect to have monochrome. Now I will select Gaussian option under distribution. I'm going to adjust the amount of noise using the slider and then click on OK. Again from the filter menu, now I will select motion blur under blur. In this dialog, I will enter a value of 45 degrees in the field of angle and a distance equal to 3 and then I'm going to click on OK.